Stop everything you're doing right now. What I'm about to reveal will either make you incredibly wealthy or leave you kicking yourself forever for missing the biggest opportunity in crypto history. A leaked document from inside Robinhood just exposed something so explosive, so unbelievable, that even I had to double check the numbers 3 times before making this video. We're talking about a secret SHIB staking program with a 10,000% APY that could turn your modest holdings into life-changing wealth. But here's the catch. This window might close faster than you think, and once it's gone forever. SHIB Army. What you're about to hear is not officially confirmed, but the evidence is overwhelming. Multiple sources inside Robinhood have leaked internal documents showing that the platform is secretly preparing to launch SHIB staking with returns that are so insane they make traditional banking look like a joke. We're talking about annual percentage yields that could multiply your tokens by 100 times in just 1 year. Yes, you heard that correctly, 100 times your initial investment. The leak screenshots that have been circulating in private crypto channels show beta testing interfaces where SHIB holders can stake their tokens directly through the Robinhood app. The interface is clean, user-friendly, and most importantly, it shows that 10,000% APY number that has everyone's jaws on the floor. But why would Robinhood offer such astronomical returns? The answer lies in their aggressive expansion strategy and their desperate need to dominate the crypto staking market. Think about the mathematics for just a moment. If you're holding 10 million SHIB tokens worth about $144 at current prices, and you stake them at 10,000% APY, you could be looking at $14,400 in rewards over 1 year. That's not a typo, that's the power of compound interest working in your favor. For holders with 100 million tokens, we're talking about $144,000 in potential annual rewards. These numbers are so massive that they're forcing people to question whether this leak is even real. But here's what makes this leak credible. Robinhood has been hemorrhaging users to other platforms that offer better crypto features. Coinbase has staking, Binance has staking, and even smaller exchanges are offering competitive yields. Robinhood needed something big to bring users back, and a 10,000% APY SHIB staking program would definitely do that. It's a calculated risk that could either revolutionize their platform or backfire spectacularly. The timing of this leak is particularly interesting. SHIB has been consolidating between 4.012 and 4.015 for weeks, building pressure for a major breakout. If Robinhood launches this staking program, it would create immediate buying pressure as millions of users rush to accumulate SHIB tokens to participate. The combination of staking rewards and price appreciation could create a perfect storm of wealth generation. Industry insiders are whispering that Robinhood's strategy involves using their massive cash reserves to subsidize these incredible staking rewards initially. They're betting that the user acquisition and platform engagement will more than compensate for the short-term costs. It's similar to how tech companies offer free services to build user bases, except in this case, they're literally paying users to participate. The leaked documents also suggest that there might be tiered staking levels based on the amount of SHIB you hold. Smaller holders might get the full 10,000% APY, while larger holders might get slightly lower rates to prevent whale manipulation. This structure would actually favor retail investors over institutional players, which is exactly what the SHIB community has been hoping for. But let's address the elephant in the room. Is 10,000% APY sustainable? The short answer is probably not long-term, but it doesn't need to be. If Robinhood is using this as a user acquisition strategy, they might maintain these rates for a few months to build momentum, then gradually reduce them to more sustainable levels. Even if the APY drops to 1,000% or 500% after the initial period, those would still be incredible returns. The impact on SHIB's ecosystem could be transformational. Staking typically removes tokens from circulation, creating artificial scarcity that drives prices higher. If millions of Robinhood users start staking their SHIB, the circulating supply could shrink dramatically while demand increases. This supply-demand imbalance is exactly what triggers those legendary crypto rallies that create millionaires overnight. Social media is already buzzing with speculation about this leak. The hashtag Robinhood SHIB staking has been trending in crypto circles, with holders sharing screenshots and theories about when the official announcement might come. Some are predicting that Robinhood will announce the program during their next earnings call to maximize the impact on their stock price. The competitive implications are massive. If Robinhood successfully launches this program, other exchanges will be forced to respond with their own high-yield staking offerings. This could trigger a staking war where platforms compete to offer the highest returns, ultimately benefiting SHIB holders across all exchanges. The entire DeFi landscape could shift as traditional exchanges embrace more aggressive yield farming strategies. Risk management becomes crucial if this program launches. While 10,000% APY sounds incredible, there are always risks with high-yield investments. Lockup periods, platform risks, and potential regulatory challenges could all impact returns. Smart investors should never put all their eggs in one basket, even if that basket promises astronomical returns. The technical infrastructure required to support millions of users staking SHIB simultaneously is enormous. Robinhood would need to upgrade their systems significantly to handle the transaction volume and security requirement. The fact that they're apparently preparing for this suggests they're serious about making a major play in the crypto staking market. Looking at the broader market context, this leak comes at a time when institutional adoption of crypto is accelerating. Major corporations are adding crypto to their balance sheets, and traditional financial institutions are launching crypto services. Robinhood's aggressive staking program could be their way of positioning themselves at the forefront of this institutional adoption wave. The psychological impact on the SHIB community cannot be understated. For months, holders have been waiting for a catalyst that could trigger the next major rally. A 10,000% APY staking program on one of America's largest trading platforms would be exactly that catalyst. The FOMO alone could drive massive buying pressure as investors rush to accumulate SHIB before the program launches. So what should SHIB holders do with this information? First, stay informed and watch for official announcements from Robinhood. Second, consider your risk tolerance and investment strategy carefully. Third, be prepared to act quickly if the program launches, as the best rates might be available only to early participants. The leaked 10,000% APY SHIB staking program on Robinhood represents either the biggest opportunity or the biggest rumor in crypto right now. Whether it's real or not, the mere possibility has already started moving markets and changing conversations. For SHIB Army members, this is a moment to stay alert, stay informed, and be ready for what could be the ride of a lifetime. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Do you believe this leak is real? Are you ready to stake your SHIB if this program launches? Smash that like button if you're excited about the possibility, and don't forget to subscribe for all the latest updates. This is the kind of news that could change everything, and you don't want to miss what happens next.